know, the media always overdoes it. You know, as far as I'm concerned, this is normal winter weather. The only really big storm we had was in the blizzard of 78, and even then I was able to get to work.
It's pretty good. We've had a lot of snow in Ireland over the last couple of weeks, but not as much in one go as we've had here.
Let's see how far into it we are, right? I grew up in Utah, so the snow's a lot drier. Not nearly as wet. But hey, morning workout. You should have had more than one cup of coffee. Oh. He's gonna watch us cheat. We were supposed to go to Cancun. Doesn't look like we're going there though. Why not? Did you notice there's a big blizzard outside?